What's up guys, welcome to TANSAFTECH YouTube channel. Samsung has launched many A series line smartphones which are slightly lower in specs than this flagship series range. After the launch of Samsung Galaxy A80, there is another phone from A series, the Galaxy A90. Some surprising details have been revealed in the benchmark leaks showing Samsung Galaxy A90 will be an important device for Samsung as they are planning to add some of the latest and greatest internal for the handset. As we already know, Galaxy A90 will be coming in with the latest Snapdragon 855 processor. But now a benchmark list showing that the raw power with octa-core processor and 6 gigs of RAM is coming with the Galaxy A90. Benchmark score is similar to the flagship devices which are currently released in 2019. We also see some interesting information from ICE Universe which showing the Galaxy A90 will come only in 5G. There will be a no 4G version of the device which is kind of surprising, and we know that Qualcomm 855 is a processor only used for the 5G phone. Maybe they are planning to make more of the people to use 5G phone and make people used to this technology, or maybe they want to dominate the 5G market. Right now we know 5G can only be possible on Snapdragon 855 or Exynos 9820 processor, so that explains why Samsung has gone to Snapdragon processor on a series. ICE Universe also suggests it will be a cheapest handset with the 5G in it. By looking at the specs, let's assume if the price range is between $600 to $700, that will be okay. More than that, it will not have an impact. They have also said that it will be a water drop notch and Full HD Plus resolution. The launch date for Galaxy A90 is expected to be in September or October. Some of you are wondering we have a water drop notch and why Samsung is not gone with the same camera motorized feature just like in Samsung Galaxy A80. It's look cool and it will allow to have a full screen. But the issue which I believe Samsung will be looking on is the motorized mechanism of the camera, as some of the users of Samsung Galaxy A80 shown that there is a problem while the flipping of the camera motor, as it gets stuck sometimes and they have to manually rotate the motor. It's not most commonly happen, but it does happen after 20 times of trials. The other reason it takes some space, as in video showing how large the rotating module is, and because of this Samsung was restricted to put bigger battery in the Galaxy A80. Now the battery is only 3700 mAh. It is nice and lasts for a day, but if we look at the screen of 6.7 inch, then we realize bigger screen requires larger battery. So A90 will have water droplet notch just like the other phones which are in the market. There is also a battery leak for Samsung Galaxy A90 which shows it will have a 4500 mAh of capacity, considering it has a 5G and 6.7 inch screen, and it will come alongside with 45 watt of fast charging, so there will be a no problem with the battery compartment for the user. With all being said, if you like this video, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching this video and peace out.